Worrying admits your defeat kasi hindi ka na nakakaisip, lagi mo na lang iniisip, paano kaya to? Ano kaya ang mangyayari sa akin? Kaya nga sinabi rin ng ating Panginoong Hesus that worrying cannot add anything to your life. In fact, ang pag-worry, it will shorten your life. Pastor, paano kung hindi ako nakapagbayad ng bills namin? Paano kapag hindi ako na-promote? Paano kapag iniwan niya ako? Paano kapag hindi niya ako iniwan? Nag-worry din yung ibang ganun eh. I realize that worry is actually faith. Worry is faith in the negative. Nananampalataya ka sa negative. Imbis na manampalataya that something good is going to happen to you. When you worry, nilalagay mo yung energy, yung faith, at paniniwala mo na wala na talagang magandang mangyayari. Baka maliit yung eroplano. Pag nakasakay naman, baka bumagsak yung eroplano. Either way, we always worry all the time. Worry cannot change anything into your life. Kaya ang sabi mismo ng ating Panginoon, this is not a suggestion. Don't worry. Huwag ka mag-alala.